A very warm good afternoon to Honorable Principal Sir of our school, to Vice Principal Ma'am of our school, and to all my fellow colleagues and to my senior colleagues. I welcome all of you today to this video presentation where I will going to demonstrate how to actually upload your question paper during on the test day. So follow my instructions very carefully and listen to my instructions. Listen to my instructions very carefully and follow my instructions as I am going to show in this demonstration. So let us begin then. First and foremost, what we have to do, we have to actually first download two apps. One app is the Google Classroom and another app is Image to PDF Converter. I'm going to show you all what is the name of the app. You can go to Google Play Store and type Image to PDF Converter. Image to PDF Converter. As it is already installed in my device, so the install option is not showing. If it is not installed in your device, then install option will going to be displayed on your device. So now after installing this app and also after the installation of the Google Classroom app, now what is the purpose of this? Let me move to the app position. Yes. What is the purpose of this Image to PDF Converter app? Is that this app will enable us to basically collectively convert different pages of the question paper and compose them and constitute them into a single PDF. So the haphazard of attaching different images of the question paper will not be there. That headache will not be there. The only thing that we have to do before uploading and before converting the images of the pages of the question paper to PDF, we have to take the images of each of the pages of the question paper, and then what we have to do, that first of all open this app. As you all can see, it is written IMG to PDF, that is Image to PDF. Open this app. As you can see, this app has opened in my device. Now what we all have to do is basically, wait a second, okay, what we have to do, press in this folder option, this folder icon that is present at the top right side. Press this option, and then as you can see, the images that are present in my devices are showing. As we will going to take the images of the question papers, images of the question paper through our camera, through our mobile camera, so all those images will be present inside the camera option, as you can see. So open this camera option. Now suppose the top 3 images are the images of my question paper. So now what we all have to do is have to select all those pages of the question paper in collectively in a serial way. Like this is the first page, this is the second page, this is the third page. Then press on the done button. As you can see, my 3 images of the question paper has been uploaded into the app. Now press on the convert to PDF option now. So what it will do, it will collectively convert these 3 individual images into a single PDF file, which will going to consist of all these 3 images in a single file. Creating PDF. Now what we have to do is open the PDF. As you can see, all the images of your selected images of your question paper has been uploaded in the app. Now press on the top right bottom where these 3 dots are present, 3 dot icon is present. Press on it and then press on the send option. Now what we have to do is save to drive option. Select this save to drive option. What it will do, it will going to upload your question paper into your Google Drive, into your Google Drive account. Save to drive. Now suppose you don't want to name your PDF file name in this way. Suppose as it will be a unit test, so you can name it as unit test. Suppose as it will going to be 2, so unit test 2. If you have make a folder on your Google Drive, you can select that particular folder where you want to store. Otherwise it is just an optional option. Now press the save button. As you can see, your one file is being uploaded to test folder. Now what we have to do now, this is the only purpose of the image to PDF converter. So now what we have to do, open the Classroom app, open the Classroom app. I'm going to open it again. Open the Google Classroom app. In this way, you will going to see your classes. Now suppose this one is the classroom where for which the respective teacher want to conduct the exam. Then press on the option, and then, as you all know, press on this middle classwork option. Then press on this plus option. After that, you can see many options are there to where we can can conduct many things. So as we are concentrated in conducting an exam, so select on the assignment option. Now suppose you have given the title unit test 2, description, time limit of 2 hours. As for class 12, the exam is of 50 marks, so let it be 50. Then this is one of the most important feature of basically limit, basically giving a deadline to them. Like suppose tomorrow there is a exam of my subject of class 12, just I am assuming it. Now suppose I have chosen the date. Now time, as our exam will going to get started from 9 and it will going to end at 11, so we can choose the ending time, that is of 11 a.m. Now this is the most important part for all our teachers. Select this clip option that is present on the top right bottom. Press on the clip button. Then, as I have uploaded my PDF file on the Google Drive account, press on the Drive option that is present, that is the first option in the displaying feature. Press on the Drive option, then select My Drive. Then, as you can see, there are many folders in my Google Drive account. It may not be present in your Google Drive account. So as I remember that I have uploaded my file inside the test folder of my Google Drive account, so I will going to go inside my Google Drive account. So suppose this is the unit test PDF file, which is my question paper. I have selected it and then press on the select button. Now as you can see, my question paper under the material option has been uploaded. but this uploading sometimes takes some time. So what we have to do, I suggest all my teachers, all the teachers of our school and all my fellow colleagues to basically keep prepare all this thing around half an hour before the conducting of the exam, before the time of the exam, so that at the end haphazard doesn't happen. Now the last step that we all have to do is press on this arrow button. Now press on the assign button. So as you can see, assignment has been created. Now as you can see, unit test 2, this will going to be received by all the students, and students will going to see the PDF in this way. Okay, so in this way we will able to upload our question paper. Now suppose after the exam is over, students have uploaded their answer sheets. Now how we all will be able to correct the pages of the answer sheet inside this Google Classroom app only, without using without any using pages. So basically what we can do, we can go inside the classroom. Then suppose this was the assignment that I have given to my students. In the similar way, your test will appear in this way inside your classroom also. Press on that option. Now as you can see, some of the students have uploaded my assignment. Now suppose I want to correct those assignments. So what I can do, suppose I want to check the pages of the answer sheet of this student Rajdeep Deka. Then what we can do, we can press on that image, press on that name, and we will going to enter inside the Rajdeep Deka folder. Now suppose I want to check the image, I want to check my answer sheet of the student in this app only. So how we are going to do that? As all of you can see, there is a pencil option on the top right side of my device. Press on that pencil option. Now as you all can see, on the bottom side of my device, there are many options from which we can select, like pen, pencil. We can actually choose colors of our correction. There is an eraser present, and all these options are there, and even there is a text box present. So I'm going to show the options one by one. Suppose a teacher has selected this pen option and can correct this answer sheet in this way and also have allotted a certain marks to this student. Now suppose again the teacher is not satisfied with the allotted marks, so what he or she can do, beside this pen option there is a rubber option, that is eraser option. Select on the eraser option and the teacher can directly remove the marks. So as you can see, it is quite easy to use, and again can allot a different marks to the students. So in this way teachers will be able to correct the answer sheet of the students. Now at the last, what the teachers have to do is press on this three dot icon that is present at the top right side of the device. Press there and then press on the save button. It will going to take some time. We have to wait for a few seconds actually. Yes, as you can see, the corrected version has been uploaded, that is edited under the edited option. Press on the edited option and as you can see your corrected answer has been displayed. So in this way we will be able to correct the answer sheet, and then we can, if we want, we can return it. Pressing on the return button, we can return this to our student if required. So this is the complete demonstration of the Google Classroom from the teacher's point of view. I hope this video presentation of the Google Classroom will be helpful for each and every teachers of our school, and a very big thanks to our honorable principal sir and to our vice principal ma'am to giving me this opportunity to show the demonstration of the Google Classroom. Thank you everyone.